एक चमगादड़
ओम मा पुनन्तु मा देवजनाः पुनन्तु मनिषादियः पुनरुद्रा भूतानि जातवेद मुनिमा आचम्ब प्राणानायम्यः ओम गायत्र्यै नमः ओम सावित्र्यै नमः सरस्वत्यै नमः ये आचम्यः सिद्धार्थ करेंगे गायत्र्यै नमः सरस्वत्यै नमः ये आचम्यः हस्ता प्रक्षालन ऋषिकेशाय नमः ततो स्वस्ति तिलका इंद्रो प्रदसवाः सुदिनः पूर्ववेदाः मदिनतारिक्षो हरितनेमिः दिनो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु आदित्यावशो रुद्राविषमे देवमृत्कण त्रिगन्ते प्रयच्छन्तु सविसामात्रिष्ठये हस्ते यक्षतान् गृहीत्वा
अरे यार गुरुजी का शॉट खराब हो गया
ओम श्री महागणाधिपतये नमः लक्ष्मी नारायणाभ्यां नमः उमामहेश्वराभ्यां नमः वाणीगणनाभ्यां नमः श्रीवृन्दाभ्यां नमः आदकमलेभ्यो नमः श्रीदेवताभ्यो नमः कुलदेवताभ्यो नमः ग्रामदेवताभ्यो नमः भाग्यदेवताभ्यो नमः वासुदेवताभ्यो नमः सर्वेभ्यो देवेभ्यो नमः सर्वेभ्यो ब्राह्मणेभ्यो नमः सद्गुरुहिताय श्रीमन्महागणाधिपतये नमः पुष्पाण्यादाय प्रार्थना तदेव लग्नं सुदिनं तदेव ताराबलं चन्द्रबलं तदेव विद्याबलं दैवबलं तदेव लक्ष्मीपदे ते युगं महाकाय सूर्यकोटिप्रभां निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे सर्वकार्ये सर्वदा वक्त्रे महागणाधिपतये नमः लक्षत्रबन्धवाक्यादाय संकल्पः ओम विष्णवे नमः पिंडोलिंगे विष्णवे नमः विष्णवे नमः विष्णवे नमः श्रीमद्भगवतो महापुरत्रविष्णुराज्ञावमानसी शिर्वाराः कल्पजन्मोदीपे रथखण्डे वर्तवर्गेयार्यावर्तिदेव चित्रे इन्द्र रत्नविद्रान्तकश्री यमुनाः घाटस्थले कलियुगे कलियुगचरणे कालागन्धस्तरे माधवमासुमे मासे फाल्गुनमासे सुरः त्रिपक्षद्यः साधनदायां गोत्रः जो उपस्थित हैं अपने गोत्र का उच्चारण करेंगे अपना नाम लेंगे माता पिता भाई बहन मित्र मंडली समस्त परिवार कुटुंब इष्ट मित्र बंधु बांधव जयतुः आयु आरोग्य ऐश्वर्य अभ्यर्थञ्च श्रुति स्मृति प्राणोक्त पुण्य फलार्थं कायिक वाचिक मानसिक ज्ञात अज्ञात दोष दूरीकरणार्थञ्च धनं कुण्डल्यां मृत कुण्डल्यां केचित् लगन चतुर्थ अष्टम द्वादश भाव अशुभ ग्रह अशुभ शमनार्थञ्च शुभ ग्रह शुभ पूजार्थञ्च आगतानां जीवने आदि ग्रह पीडाः दूरीकरणार्थञ्च राजविद्या सुगन्धा पूजार्थञ्च भगवतः श्री सामसदा सुगन्धार्थञ्च हनुमदेव सुगन्धार्थञ्च कालिन्दी पूजनम् आराध्यं ब्राह्मणद्वारः अहम् आचरिष्ये ओम गणपतये नमः एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ति प्रचोदयात्।
अरे भाई क्या दिक्कत है?
Seeing there of the puja that's being performed, interestingly, it's two people who are performing the puja. One is Chief Minister Rekha Gupta, the other Minister Parvesh Verma. And obviously, all of the images right now, everything is being read into. And there are questions about whether we're actually looking at the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister performing this particular puja. But we don't have answers just yet on the portfolio allocation, so in a few hours from now we'll know if that is the case. But you see the entire cabinet present there. You also see Jay Panda, who is the Delhi in charge, Vanith Srinivasan, right next to the Delhi Chief Minister there. All of them witnessing this particular puja that's taking place on the banks of the Yamuna. After this, you're also going to see a Yamuna Aarti. And Piyush and Maushmi with us on this broadcast. Piyush, as we beam these live images of the puja that's underway, there will be a lot of speculation about the fact that you have Chief Minister Rekha Gupta flanked by Parvesh Verma, both together performing the puja. Okay, we'll connect with Piyush in just a bit. But you see right now the puja that's underway at the Yamuna Ghat, and all of the ministers accompanying Chief Minister Rekha Gupta. Right after this is the first cabinet meet that will take place. And clearly, for the Chief Minister, the message that they're sending across, the message she's sending across is, I'm not wasting any time. I'm going to hit the ground running, get going and ensure that immediately the BJP and all the promises that they've made to the people of Delhi, on the back of which they actually have come to power, they will fulfill. Or at least that's the message she is sending. Remember, the BJP has promised that a cleaner, greener Yamuna will be accomplished within 3 years. And that seems to be priority number one. Looking at these images, first stop of the entire cabinet with Chief Minister Rekha Gupta is right there at the Yamuna Ghat. Okay, so next you're going to see the Yamuna Aarti playing out. I understand Piyush is back with us. Piyush, I was asking you about really the message being sent across in the fact that you have Chief Minister Rekha Gupta flanked by Parvesh Verma and both together performing the puja. It's only going to lead to more buzz that Parvesh Verma could just be the Deputy CM.
Well, absolutely, like you rightly mentioned, that he could be Deputy Chief Minister. But as of now, Akshita, officially it has not been announced. Although the initial prayers have now come to an end, puja is all set to begin, which will be for Aarti. In fact, beg your pardon. In fact, Aarti will begin shortly, which will be for 15 minutes. And before that, the initial prayers have come to an end. We are now also seeing how the lamps are also being lit. I would ask my video analyst Nasif to show you the pictures of lamps. Those are now being lit here at the Vasudev Ghat. All the leaders who were also taking part in initial prayers are still on standby. They are waiting for Aarti to begin. Chants were chanted. Religious chants were chanted by the priests here. Rituals were performed. Initial prayers have already been completed, and we are now seeing how the lamps are being lighted. And any minute from now, we can expect the Aarti also to begin. We can see the top leadership of Delhi BJP also present here. Delhi BJP President Virendra Sachdeva. Remember that he is the man who has done a lot to bring BJP here. After 27 years of struggle, BJP has been able to form the government, and that has happened under the leadership of Virendra Sachdeva, who is a Delhi BJP president. In the past, many elections we have seen presidents getting changed, but BJP not performing. But this time BJP has performed and has been able to form the government with 48 seats in its kitty. And today the first job which is being done by BJP government is to reach here at Vasudev Ghat and take a vow to clean Yamuna river water in next 3 years. This was also the promise which top leaders of BJP were seen making during the campaign, Akshita, where they requested people to vote for BJP and they would put their best to clean Yamuna. And for that we see that the mission Clean Yamuna begins from today with this Aarti, which is now also to begin here. The initial part of Puja has now come to an end. The initial prayers have been completed. It was done by a group of priests. We also spoke to a priest who told us that he also is also liking the intent of a BJP government. Now some chants are being chanted here by priests. Before that, rituals were also performed. So we are seeing as to how the beeline of top BJP leaders are present here. All cabinet ministers, newly inducted cabinet ministers, Kapil Mishra, Manjit Singh Sirsa, Ravinder Singh, and also Parvesh Verma, Ashish Sood. Let us also tell to our viewers as to how the role these leaders are also going to play. They will have an important role in fulfilling the promises which BJP has made to the people of Delhi. Kapil Mishra is the man who has held the water portfolio when he was there in Aam Aadmi Party government. He was also a minister. He has administrative skills. He knows what actually goes in and around in the Delhi government. Now,